Today, on short notice, the provincial government invited MGEU and other public sector unions to a meeting. The only details we knew about the meeting came from what the Premier told news media over the past 24 hours. At the meeting, provincial officials said they are looking at layoffs for those who deliver so-called non-essential public services. We were told that the only way to avoid significant layoffs would be to voluntarily enter into work-sharing agreements that where non-essential staff would have their work week reduced to as little as 2 days per week. Impacted workers would get EI for the lost work days. For those who earn less than $54,000 per year, that would mean keeping about 70% of their pay and avoiding a layoff. This would only be possible if the federal government agrees to make the province eligible for this EI program. Provincial officials were unable to say what public services they think are not essential. We listened to what the government had to say, asked questions, and said we need to hear from our members before responding. We were left very concerned that the government will designate many core public services as non-essential and thereby undermine the services that keep us and our communities safe and healthy. Healthcare isn't the only essential public service. Flood protection and water control must continue. We also need our jails to keep operating. Drinking water and flood protection safety standards need to be upheld. Child protection workers need to ensure children are safe and families are supported. Workplace safety and health officials need to keep protecting workers from COVID-19, and there are so many other public services that need to be supported now more than ever. We agree that layoffs are not the answer. The role of government in a crisis like this is to keep people safe and help keep the economy going, to make sure Manitobans are working enough to pay their bills and spend in the local economy. We will be hearing from our members in the coming days, and that will determine how we can best stand up for the public services Manitobans rely on. Stay safe, everyone.